Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the video today we will be learning about FastAPI. So just the basic definition of FastAPI. It is a modern fast, as the name suggests, it is a fast web framework for building APIs. It is primarily designed to create APIs quickly with less code and better performance. So these are some of the advantages which FastAPI offers vis-a-vis Flask and other APIs options like Django. Key highlights is like the first highlights of Fast API is that it has a smart data validation feature using Python type-ins. It is primarily done through Pydantic, which we will learn in a while. And also there is a feature of auto-generated docs in Fast API. So due to these features, Fast API is typically ideal for modern web apps, machine learning APIs, and microservices. So let's go into code and let's see how exactly we create a basic version of Fast API. So let's just start with creating a virtual environment in our terminal. So we will like write Python -m venv. Let's call it a virtual environment as virtual. So the virtual environment has been created here. Uh, this terminal is taking time. Let's go to another terminal to activate this virtual environment. So to activate, we simply need to write name of the environment, which is virtual backslash and scripts activate. So scripts and then activate. So okay, I think the environment was not created completely. Let's give it some time. Yeah, we can see activate. So now we can run our code virtual backslash scripts activate. So now you can see the virtual environment is activated. Now we will start with installing all the necessary packages. So the first will be, sorry, pip install. First will be fast API, and then UVcorn is a server which is used by fast API, and as we mentioned, it also uses Pydantic, uh, which is for data validation. So we will install all these three packages. So in the meantime, we can start our code. Let's call it main.py. Once again, I think we have to call it main.py, right? Let's just start our code in the meantime. So we will import fast API from fast API, import fast API. Then we have to create an object for fast API. Let's call it app. So app will be simply fast API. That's it. So once we have created the object for fast API called app, we have to use a decorator function to assign any verb to it. So there are multiple verbs in fast API. We will learn about all those verbs in the upcoming videos. In today's video, we will focus on get, which is a verb to retrieve any information from the web. So app.get, and let's keep the endpoint as simply a slash, and then we will define the function. So we will start with the basic hello world here. So hello world would be simply return, and we would return the messages. So message would be hello world, right? Let's save this, and let's clear our terminal. Yeah, and then we would start writing a code to run FastAPI. So the code is like UV code, and then we have to assign mention name of the py file, which is main here, and then colon. After colon, we have to use the name of the object which we have defined here as app. So app, and then reload. Now we can see this link has been created for the web app in the local browser. So we'll follow the link just to see. So this is here. So using pretty print we can see here. So additional advantage, as we discussed, like it has a auto generated docs, right? So to view the auto generated docs, once we create any fast API, we just simply need to write docs here slash docs, and then we can see what exactly went behind the scene to create any APIs. So it becomes very easier to uh, debug any error in case of complex web APIs. In our case, it's a bit simple at the moment, so we can't have much to evaluate here. Otherwise, it is one of the very easy feature given to fast API for any user. So yeah, that was the basic introduction of fast APIs in today's video. We will learn more about fast API in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.